I'm recording this video from my bedroom. It's not very professional, is it? Should we go to the office? The office. It's been a while since I've been here. It's looking a bit grey outside. Should we go somewhere a bit sunnier? The beach. Time to put on the sunglasses. Not many people around though. It's a bit quiet. Maybe you want a bit more of a professional background. How about this? How cool is that? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom backgrounds to video calls in Microsoft Teams. Now, if you haven't already, please click subscribe and hit the bell to see future videos like this. Okay, are we ready? Then let's go. To change your background before joining the meeting, just simply switch on the video, click Background Effects, which is this little switch here, and then here on the right-hand side, you've got a range of options to choose from. So I'm going to go for this sort of blue lockers in the background, join my meeting, and I'm in. Now, if I want to, I can change this background from within the meeting itself. Let's just close this window on the right, click more options, and then from here, I can go Show Background Effects, and then choose a different background. It looks like there's some decorating going on in the background in this one. Now, if you want to change your background to something that you've created, if I can get the words out, then you need to do this slightly different. So let me show you. So you open up File Explorer, and you need to paste in this path that you see on the screen now. Now this path, there's no need to make a note of it now. It'll be available in the description of this video. So just simply copy and paste it into your Windows Explorer. If I press enter, there's my image. And before I show you how to add it into the background of your video, let me just show you the image first. And you will notice that the text is back to front. So this is how you need to save the image. So the image details are on the screen now for you. And they're also available in the description of this video too. So you need to save it as a flipped image like this. And then to add it to the background, let's just show you. If I click more options, Show Background Effects, scroll to the bottom of this list, and there's my logo, past all these weird and wonderful images, like fairy tale lands and all sorts. And if I click on this one, you can see, when I click Apply, that my background is in there and it's in the correct position. So how cool is that? You can create your own backgrounds. How creative are you going to be today? Now this is the video that I want you to watch next, and this is the video that YouTube wants you to watch next. And if you haven't already, then please click subscribe to see future videos like this. I will see you in the next video.